Introducing Red Lobster Cheddar Bay Biscuits G Edition. First, I'm going to start off with 2 cups of all-purpose flour, then 1 teaspoon of baking powder, then 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, or as much as you like, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Then we're going to razzle dazzle some garlic salt, and y'all know I'm a little heavy-handed when it comes to the seasoning, so I'm just going back in with a little bit more garlic powder. Now I'm going to take a big spoon and just mix all of those ingredients up a little bit more. Now I'm going to add about a half a stick of butter, and you'll see me just add small chunks. Now we're going to blend this nicely until it gets nice and clumpy. Now I'm going to add about 1 cup of cheddar cheese. Now y'all know 1 cup wasn't enough. I'm going to add 1 more. Then blend it together once again. Now I'm going to add about 1 cup of buttermilk, or 1 cup of milk is just as fine. And just to enhance the consistency, I'm just going in with a little bit more milk. To decrease the chances of the biscuit sticking, I'm just adding some flour onto the parchment paper. Now I'm going to go ahead and start molding medium-sized balls so that we form the biscuits. Now I'm going to heat my Ninja air fryer oven on to 450 for 12 minutes. Now into the oven they go. Now I'm going to melt some butter and then add some garlic powder for our fun seasoning part. Now we're going to add some garlic salt for a great layer of seasoning, along with some parsley flakes for the decor. Now I'm just going to take my spoon and just kind of spread the butter all across. Now y'all, I'm supposed to have a brush, but I can't find it, so we're just going to have to make do. Now we have beautiful Red Lobster Cheddar Bay Biscuits, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more recipes.